So now, the question of the century, what does AshtaTech do? Right from building robotic arms, CNC machines for 14 years, right now we are diving into explosive industry for tracking and tracing of each and every sausage that is developed. Right now, we are also developing the cutting edge solutions for the AGV, that is for the packaging industry in food, pharma, and defense segments.
In the world driven by innovations, progress begins with the spark of imagination, determination, and purpose. At AshtaTech Automation, we ignite that spark every single day. Our technology empowers industry, but more importantly, it improves people, giving them the tools they need to achieve their goals in ease and confidence. From precise cutters in factories to automated robotic systems in warehouse. Every product we create isn't just a machine, it's a promise. A promise of quality, efficiency, and a better tomorrow. Our 100+ unique solutions have reached about 40+ customers worldwide, touching life, businesses, and dreams across the globe. Every achievement is a step closer to shaping the better future, not just for the industries, but for the communities. It all started in 2016 with a simple yet performed team to bring advanced automation to industries, making processes smarter, faster, and more human-friendly. Our journey is to end by the belief that technology man crafted with care transforms life.